Let's talk about the new collaboration from Adidas and Lego, the Adidas Ultraboost Lego crossover. It's a lot of fun. I'm glad I got my hands on this pair of sneakers. So let's take these out of the box and take a look at the differences between a typical pair of Ultraboost and these Lego crossover Ultraboosts. So the first thing you're going to notice is the three stripes are actually made of Lego bricks. That's a really cool touch. When you see it, it's really unique because no other pair of Adidas Ultraboosts are going to look like that. This crossover actually feels different on your feet. You can actually see the dimples, the Lego bricking inside the sole. So when you actually put these on your feet, that is going to be one of the first things that you notice about these shoes. They do feel different to walk in. Just to be clear, the plastic bricks are not actually rigid. They're all made of a rubbery kind of silicone type material. So you don't really feel that part, but it is that dimpling on the sole that you will end up noticing. The fit and finish of these shoes are excellent. One of the things I really like about it is this suede that they have here on the toe box. It was a nice touch, and I think it classes up the sneaker a little bit. That said, though, that means the trade-off is this will not hold up as nicely in wet environments. Now, I have seen some other Lego Adidas crossovers where they can have interchangeable parts. This one did not come with any interchangeable parts. There's no interchangeable Legos on this particular pair of sneakers. So overall, you can decide if it's a sneaker for you. Make sure that you take into consideration that inside sole to see if that's something that really fits with what you like. For me, I liked it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and that's the Ultraboost Adidas crossover.